Hi everybody. Welcome to the Jetour Pro channel. This is the only channel where you can learn how to operate everything in this car, and how to use the high technology in it in order to operate this car safely and efficient. You'll find all the tips, recommendations, warnings and safety issues. In this short video, we will show you how to change the themes for your screens. At the end, we have a trivia question for you to answer. Here we go. In order to change the theme, first, go to the multimedia screen. Now choose the last screen. Then you will select Settings. Press Themes. And now you will see 3 themes to choose from. The selected theme now is the Classic theme. You will find that this theme is very similar to the Mercedes theme. Now, we'll select the Sport theme. Now, we are going to change the theme to the Advanced theme. That's how it looks. We will stop at this screen and ask a trivia question. The Advanced theme is missing one item. Can you tell us what is the missing item? Please send us a comment and let's see if you answer it correctly. Good luck. Thank you very much for following us, and if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do it now and hit the bell, so you can get notified when we post new videos. We appreciate your comments if you have something missing or you a question. If you can add something, please do. We're here to help each other, and thank you for watching.